with me here, I have the chairman of Cars and Chrome, and we want to talk to him and get to understand what Cars and Chrome does, and basically A to Z of Car and Chrome, how to join, and so on and so forth. So jina ni?
Mimi naitwa majina yangu Paul Mungai, but watu wengi wananijua kama Utari.
Utari the brand.
Yes.
Hiyo jina naijua kuliko sura yako.
Yeah. This is the face behind the name.
Nice. So Utari, for how long have you had Cars and Chrome? For how long has Cars and Chrome been there?
Cars and Chrome ilianzia late 2018. I had a Toyota K20, 1974 I think. Initially when we started the group ilikuwa inaitwa Cars and Chrome because my car was carburetor. Yeah. Nice, but when we advanced we found that kuna watu wa EFI, other modes of engine, so tukaona cabs mtu EFI atakuwa left out. So we dropped the B kakwa Cars and Chrome.
But Utari, let me ask you, do you know that you're kind of the mother group of so many groups in this country?
Imagine, mimi nabeba kila mtu akona old school.
So that means you have like several other classics. Kama hapa naona BMWs, Toyota, so many other cars.
Watu wamekuja. Benz,
Miata hata imetoka hapa.
Miata imetoka hapa sasa hii.
So since 2018 to date, mko wangapi kwa group ama how many members do you have?
Members hizi wa count vizuri kwa sababu kwa group yetu WhatsApp sasa tuko around 560 something. Tuko watu wengi na that's one WhatsApp group, tuko na nyingine ya soko. Tuko tuseme 1000 plus.
1000 plus.
Na wale wajoin, wale wako nje, wale wanasema mimi sitaingia WhatsApp but nita follow Instagram. Yeah.
So far so good. The group was formed to basically bring on board all the classics within the country. What was the purpose of the group apart from just the classics of the cars?
Our purpose was mainly to have a network of classic cars that we can connect and share. Because kama unajua meka atanitengenezea gari, huyo meka atanisaidia ama anitumie kwa mwingine. So it was basically to make these cars keep on running. As much as we have other side activities we do, like kama ya leo visit our members garage, we do an event there, park and chill, we do road trips, car bazaars, we do boot sales, na majorly charities.
So far so good. With all that years of experience, what was the highlight? What would you say was the best time during having being the chair of this group for all that period?
I can say the best time was our 4th anniversary, the one we did at Juja City. Yo event mimi siku expect ikuwe hivyo cause watu walikam afu ikakuwa wamejaa. Watu wamekuwa wengi hadi kuna parking. And we had taken a parking for like 200 cars but it exceed your place kabisa.
So tuseme that is the event that pushed Cars and Chrome from Cabs and Chrome to...
I don't know. That was just recently we did last year but one. Because last year tulifanya 5th anniversary, last year but one. And tulifanya hiyo event. But what made us go everywhere because we did a lot of charities. Sisi ni watu Nakuru. Naivasha, Mara, Kitengela, we move around a lot. So I think so you're a person with a classic to know that inazenda Moranga na isichemke is a big thing.
It's a big thing.
Because people are building these cars alafu kienda kuchomoka hivi kamguka na anguka. So ukiona like unadependia make anajua Kenya anafanya. Hakuna mali utakosa kwenda kwa hii dunia. Uta move around with these cars.
So far so good. This is a very challenging question. Kwa hii group yote, ni gari gani unatambua? Give me 3 cars zile unatambua, zile kali kabisa kwa hii group.
Kali sana. Wala kuna mzee hapa analitajua. Kuna hii gari na kuna gari nyingine KAD, mse wa KAD akona Celica. Celica nyingine ya black.
KJ.
This one KJ. Unaijua?
I think so.
Hey, this is KJ.
Yes, the Celica.
The Celica. This is KJ, I'm not sure. Alafu kuna nini? Kuna T2 ya Steve Waroy, KJE. That's one of my favorites. Alafu tabalizia na Mini ya Jack. KHR, I think so. Yes.
Sawa. That was so unexpected. I thought actually kwa hizo gari zote umesema haziko hapa.
Haziko hapa leo. Watu wameenda rally.
Wasa wameenda rally, but look at how the impact of Cars and Chrome is big. Actually in the parking we are, gari zilikuwa zimejaa to an extent that some of us have parked outside. I'll show you the cutaways. So, if someone wants to join Cars and Chrome, what's your advice? And apart from that, what would you tell anyone who has a car out there sleeping or lying around na anaogopa kuamsha?
Ukitaka kujoin Kazi and Chrome, enda pale Instagram Kazi and Chrome Club of Kenya, DM. Kama sio mimi nita receive, kuna mtu atakureceive, utadio kwa group ya WhatsApp. Hatuna membership fee, hatuna hizo fees nini. Ni kuingia tu, utapata like minded hapo.
Those who have good cars that are lying at home na wameshindwa kuhamisha and stuff.
Kama uko na project imelala na ujuke je utafanya, ni DM tu. Itaamuka, ndio ensure itatembea. Encouragement ni hakuna gari hizi tembea. According to me, I have seen different cars. I've seen different people. Watu wanasemanga kuamsha hizi gari ni expensive. Yes, ni expensive, but pia inataka patience na passion. Hawezi fanya kitu ati unataka itembee. Utachokea huko katikati. So if you have that passion to build, ni DM hapo Instagram. Hiyo gari itatembea.
Sawa. So you've heard it from the chairman himself, and before we actually let him enjoy the event, let me ask him one last question. So what's next after this event?
After this event, to do the reshuffle of the management hapa pale, we bring new, unajua sasa sika mimi I think I've done my work.
Umekuwa tyrant.
Nimekuwa hapo expecting people to niambie wewe ni aje naweza fanya hii, I can take this role. Yes, watu wakam to run this because things are changing. This car trend ina change sana. For now, a lot of events during the year. We want to do a lot of charities. As much as kunazima park and chill, tutakuwa do more of charity work. Because our watoto pia tunataka kuona, we need to inspire them. Gen Z pia si kidogo. We need to inspire them to let them know, instead ushinda uko na dawa za kulevya, nunua project kuanzia kuenda pole.
Very expensive drug. Haya, siwapatie namba ya simu just in case for those who would like to reach you.
My number is 0710 443 420. Hiyo utanipata WhatsApp, Instagram, WhatsApp utanipata, call me. I don't switch off my phone unless charge ishe.
Alafu pia by the way msana uzanga parts asiwanyamaza danganya. He has a parts shop.
Oh yeah.
Say about that.
I have a parts shop inajita GNM Auto Accessories, iko pale Car West. Mostly saini nimeanzia kudeal na headlights. Na install projector headlights. Ndio niko pale nilivyodesha projector headlights, nauza aftermarket headlights za Toyota 100, 110, 90, Carina. I have a lot of stuff.
Hata 92.
Hata 92. Yeah, sorry.
Sawa manze, that was Utari, the brand, actually the chairman of this whole club. This interview, we will do it both as a mix for this event and an interview independently. So asante sana for having us. Yeah, manze, we are humble.
Sawa.
Pleasure.
Thank you.